Have you ever looked up at the night sky and seen a bright star with rings? That's not a star, it's Saturn. But what are those rings made of? And how did they get there? Let's dive into the mysteries of Saturn's rings.
Saturn's rings are not solid objects. They are actually made up of billions of tiny pieces of ice and rock. Imagine a giant cosmic snow globe with particles ranging in size from grains of sand to houses. These particles are constantly colliding and bouncing off each other as they orbit Saturn. It's a cosmic dance that creates a breathtaking spectacle.
But how did these icy particles end up around Saturn? This question has puzzled scientists for many years, leading to extensive research and numerous theories. Scientists believe there are two main possibilities that could explain the formation of Saturn's rings. One widely accepted theory suggests that a moon got too close to Saturn long ago, possibly millions or even billions of years ago. Saturn's powerful gravity, which is much stronger than Earth's, ripped the moon apart, scattering its icy remains into orbit around the planet. These shattered pieces, consisting of ice and rock, eventually spread out and formed the beautiful rings we see today, creating a stunning celestial display. Another compelling theory proposes that the rings are leftover material from Saturn's formation billions of years ago, remnants of the primordial cloud of gas and dust. Like a messy eater, Saturn might have left some crumbs behind during its formation, which eventually coalesced and became its iconic rings, a testament to the planet's early history.
Now take a closer look at Saturn's rings. You'll notice they aren't just one big uniform band. Instead, they are divided into different sections, each with its own unique features. Some rings are bright and tightly packed, while others are faint and diffuse. There are even gaps between some of the rings.
These gaps are created by the gravitational influence of Saturn's moons, which exert a powerful force on the ring particles. These moons act like shepherds herding the ring particles, guiding them and maintaining the structure of the rings. Saturn's magnetic field also plays a crucial role in shaping the rings, influencing their formation and behavior.
This invisible force interacts with the charged particles in the rings, creating waves and disturbances that travel through the ring system. These interactions result in waves and patterns that ripple through the icy structures, creating a mesmerizing display. It's like a cosmic light show, constantly changing and evolving, with light reflecting off the particles in a dazzling array. The interplay between gravity and magnetism makes Saturn's rings a dynamic and captivating phenomenon, showcasing the complex forces at work in our solar system. Together, these forces create a stunning and ever-changing spectacle that continues to fascinate scientists and astronomers alike.
Saturn's rings remind us that the universe is full of wonders waiting to be explored. These rings, composed of countless particles of ice and rock, create a mesmerizing spectacle that has fascinated astronomers and stargazers alike for centuries. By studying these celestial rings, scientists can uncover secrets about the formation and evolution of our solar system. Each ring tells a story, revealing clues about the past and the dynamic processes that continue to shape our cosmic neighborhood. We gain a deeper understanding of our solar system, its history, and the intricate dance of celestial bodies within it, and the forces that shape it. Gravitational interactions, collisions, and other cosmic events all play a role in the formation of these stunning rings.
So the next time you gaze up at Saturn, remember that you're looking at a cosmic masterpiece, a natural wonder that has been billions of years in the making.